So today we will discuss about proving on theorems. So in the diagram below, we have two given information, which is R is the midpoint of segment is U and segment is V. That is congruent to segment UV. And then we have to prove. So first, we have to prove the triangle RSV is congruent to RUV. And we should see that these two triangles combined and make a large triangle, which is this. And then, so with this image, so let's begin with the first given, which is this. And then, so if we visualize the segment SU with a point R, which is this, as the midpoint. And we all know that the midpoint cuts the segment, which is SU, the R is cut at the middle. The segment SU cuts with the letter R in a half. So we can conclude that the SR and UR are congruent in each other. And then we will put this as the segment that SR, that segment SR are congruent to the segment UR. And our reason here is definition of midpoint. Definition of midpoint. Because that was the midpoint due. Now, we can't really draw any more information with that given. And since there are more than one in this example, and let's move on to our second one, which says that segment SV are congruent to segment UV. And UV have the same length, they are congruent. UV have the same length with SV, are congruent. Now, once our given are all used up, we have to apply all what we know in the geometry. And keep in mind that we have to prove the pink triangle, green triangle are congruent. Now, notice that both of those triangles shares side of VR, which is this is the midpoint of the large triangle. And then, so whatever length that VR is congruent to itself, VR. We have VR, segment VR is congruent to itself, which is VR. Is what we call the reflexive property. We should clear from our diagram that we can prove that triangle RSU is congruent to triangle RUV by using the side, which is SSS postulates. Each triangle shares three pairs of corresponding congruent sides. And now we can prove that triangle RSV is congruent to triangle RUV by using the side postulates. Each triangle shares congruent sides. And now we are done with our proving. Thank you and God bless.